everyone, and welcome to StartSpeak English, the podcast where we help you build your English skills one word at a time. I'm Anna, and joining me today is my co-host, Mike.
Hey, great to be here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We are so happy you're here. Learning a new language takes courage, and you're already doing it. That's something to be proud of.
Absolutely. So today's episode is all about everyday English vocabulary. And there's also hi, which is more casual, like between friends. So hi is informal, and hello is a little more formal. Both are correct.
Here's a quick example. Imagine you see your neighbor in the morning. You smile and say, "Good morning, how are you?" And they say, "I'm fine, thank you." And you? Simple, right?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about food vocabulary. Mike, what are some basic food words learners should know? Great topic. So the word breakfast means the first meal of the day, usually in the morning. Then there's lunch, the meal in the middle of the day, and dinner, the meal in the evening. 3 important words. And here's a useful sentence. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock every morning. Can you try? Hannah, I love those too. Okay, now let's move to shopping. What words do people need at a store?
So when you go shopping, you might ask, how much does this cost? The word cost means the price of something. And the word cheap means low price, not expensive. And expensive means the price is high.
For example, this jacket is too expensive. Do you have something cheaper? You can use that in any shop. Very practical.
And don't forget the word buy. It means to pay money for something. I want to buy this bag. Simple and very common.
Now let's talk about transportation. Getting around is important. Mike, what are the key words here?
Okay, so bus is a big vehicle that carries many people. Train is another way to travel, usually faster. And taxi is a car you pay to take you somewhere. In some countries, people also say cab, same meaning as taxi.
And a useful phrase, excuse me, where is the bus stop? The word stop here means the place where the bus waits for passengers. Very helpful when you're in a new city.
Speaking of being new somewhere, let's talk about school and work words. Anna, what would you pick?
I'd say learn and practice are 2 of the most important words, not just in school, but in life. I want to learn English. I practice every day. You're doing both of those things right now.
And at work, a word you hear a lot is meeting. When a group of people come together to talk about something. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Also, busy, when you have a lot of things to do. Sorry, I can't talk now. I'm very busy.
One more. Tired. After a long day, you feel tired. I'm so tired. I need to sleep. Everyone can relate to that one.
Yes, very.
Okay, let's do a quick review before we wrap up. Ready, Mike?
Ready. Let's go.
Greetings. Hello, hi, good morning. Food. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, hungry, full. Shopping. Cost, cheap, expensive, buy. Transportation. Bus, train, taxi, stop. School and work. Learn, practice, meeting, busy, tired.
That's 15 words. And if you use just 5 of them today, you're already making progress. Seriously, every word you learn is a step forward.
We believe in you. Learning English is a journey, and every episode we take it together, 1 word at a time.
So keep going, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying, and trying is how you grow.
Anna, thank you so much for listening to today's episode of StartSpeak English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like. It really helps the channel.
And subscribe so you never miss a new episode. Hit that notification bell so YouTube tells you when we drop something new.
We'll be back soon with more fun, easy English lessons. Until then, keep practicing keep smiling, and keep speaking.
See you next time on StartSpeak English. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.